Yo, what's good? It's your boy pRETTy, and I'm back one more again. This time I'm back with a brand new album reaction by the boy Lil Yachty. Haven't heard from him in a minute, but this is about to be my first time reacting to the whole album. Unlike other YouTubers and reactors, I do not skip the song. I do not pause the song. I listen to the whole song. I go track to track, listen to the whole song, and I grade each song from 0 to 10, 10 being the best. So what I want y'all to do is just rock out with me, stay to the end. I'm going to give my commentary after each song, and then we're going to grade it, you dig? So this is Let's Start Here by Lil Boat, a.k.a. Lil Yachty. You dig? Let's go.
Fucking panties all in a bunch and making reaction vids. I hate you niggas that make reaction vids.
pRETTy.
Come bust this pussy open.
Hey man, I'm that pretty motherfucker.
Let's go to Sunset City, go to Sun City. Woke up on the right side, I feel so pretty. Kiss my girl on her thighs, grab on her titties. I know that they despise, I feel so sexy. If someone say I'm not, must have not met me. Warm you up when it's cold, you call me bestie. Don't test me, I'm too sexy.
Hard. Man, I ain't gonna lie, they're hard. Hey, this nigga need a video of this hoe. I ain't gonna lie, I may have to run that hoe back.
Not when you're born and when you die, but when you met me, when we became brothers.
I ain't gonna lie. Y'all already know how I'm feeling that. That's a 10. That's probably my favorite song on this whole so far. So far, it don't got the biggest number, but that whole hard. It's like, it's right there, man. It's going to make me react to the whole album. But right now, we're going to go ahead and rerun that whole. It's a 10. Tell me what y'all think about it in the comments. But right now, we're about to go ahead and, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. We're about to hit that whole again. That nigga did that. Nigga, how my internet ain't fucked up. Anywho, man, this whole tripping right now. Make sure y'all tell me y'all grade, what y'all think about this song. I think that whole hard, like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, the reason I fuck with that whole, cause nigga, Ain't nothing wrong with a nigga saying he pretty. Everybody tries to like, oh, the nigga, oh, he gave, he like nigga, like when ASAP say I'm that pretty motherfucker, Harlem what I'm repping, you know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, you feel like you that nigga. Like, sometimes when I put that shit on, man, I'll be stepping, I'll be feeling like, nigga, I'm that pretty motherfucker. And that's like a little, the sexy song too. You can make love to that hoe, you can smoke and get high to that hoe, you know what I'm saying? Be with a badass, pretty bitch. You know what I'm saying? But anywho, tell me what y'all think. I may react to the whole album depending on my internet. That whole tripping right now. But if y'all fuck with me, go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead, follow me on all social media platforms. It's Lil Trent Music. It's spelled the same way as my name on my YouTube channel. Subscribe right now. You know what I'm saying? I can't finish the album right now. This shit, I got to see what's up with this. But if y'all want me to finish the album, if y'all really fuck with me, tell me the songs y'all want me to react to if I didn't finish the whole album. You dig? And don't forget to leave y'all grade on this song. You dig? I'll see y'all next time. Bye.